Hello, this is Solomon Davis, Right Side Trader. Today is August 19th, 2023. This is my weekly market review where I'm reviewing the Nasdaq 100 on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only, no trade recommendation here. As we all know, trading is risky, so please get advice from your financial advisor, your significant other, and see if trading is actually something that is suitable for you. Also, maybe contact us here at Right Side Trader and see if we can help you with your trading if needed. As you can see, last week or these last few weeks have been kind of down. We're getting this red mud that we kind of expected, and I hope you was able to see that. Just zoom in here a little bit and take a quick look at the overall picture, and then we're going to zoom down and take a look at the individual months. Let me go all the way out here. So as you can see, the big thing, the red month, we are getting the red month. We're still above the 10. We're getting a red quarter. Haven't seen that in a while. But and we're below a certain an R1, an R1 and all. On the weekly picture, we're back into a zone where I thought we needed to break out of. We're back in that area. I do not want to see us closing below this area. On the daily chart, the 10 has crossed the 50, so we are, turning a little negative. This is just a red month. So again, do what you have to do based on your plan and your strategy. Let's zoom on in and take a closer look at what's going on here. Let me kind of maximize this if I can and see what we see. Again, like I said on the quarterly chart, we are below in our yearly R1. We into the zone that I thought we needed to break out of to start going higher, but a red month was due. So I'm okay with what's going on. I was prepared to do what we need to do. I hope you was also. You got the early warning. Let's take a quick look at the monthly chart. On the monthly chart, we're getting a red month. I think I was starting to count the green months. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 green months. It's time for a red month. In this upward run, you do get red months every now and then. The thing is, we just don't want to see a confirmation of this red month going to the downside. Even though that can happen, we can end up with another month because we kind of really extended off this 10 moving average at this time. And the stochastic is near the top. So this is something where you definitely got to be cautious. You definitely got to have your stop. No trade recommendations, but you definitely need to protect your money ever how you do it based on your plan and your strategy. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at the weekly chart. On the weekly chart, I'm going to zoom in a little bit here, just a little bit here first. This is that zone I said we needed to get above these highs. We had got about above those highs, and now we're back in that area. And this is where I don't like us to close below. But based on, I'll call it a jailer gap, but this is a gap right here because she likes looking at the bodies and all. And if we may need to come down here and close that gap since it's pretty close. And closing that gap will get us below 350 on QQQ. We need to see if that's going to actually happen, or we're going to get our bounce here. Just come through this, give a fake out, breakout to the downside, and then reverse and go back up. We have to wait and see how next week goes. But we're getting close to the end. Is it time to buy the dip? In my opinion, no. Just my opinion. And also be careful. The big guys may be saying, big guys are kind of slow. It takes them a while to get out of their money. And we should be already in our cash and, and playing this thing to the downside, No trade recommendation there, but yeah, we should be done. We've had 3 good weeks. We saw the pattern at the top. We had 1 week, 2 weeks here. Are we going to get another week? That's the only question that I'm seeing right now. And we're not at the end of the month. We're only at the 19th of the month. So we got plenty of time to see if this market is going to continue to drop this month or what is it going to do. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at the daily noise and then go ahead and just wrap this up. Zoom in here a little bit. As you can see, we did get a green day on Friday because, like I said, this is the top. This is where you can see how it kind of top of this little range right here. This is where I thought we had broke out, and we did come back down in here and test this before going back up. So that's why I'm saying I don't want to see a close below this little area that I have on here at all. The moving averages have crossed over. My 10 has crossed over my 50. to let you see that's what I'm looking at. My 10 has crossed over my 50, so that's not good in my trading plan and my trading strategies. I'm definitely now definitely have to sit on the sideline and or play the downside. My trading plan, my trading strategies, that's what I do. Uh, so that's what has to happen, and that's what I see here on the cues. All right, that's all I really want to share. This is Solomon, Right Side Trader. Hope you guys had a great week and having a great weekend, and I'll talk to you next week. Have a good one. Bye.